Today we have with us Prashant Pannu, who has cleared his NDA SSB. First of all, heartiest congratulations on
Thank you.
behalf of Delhi Career Group on
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
success. How do you feel?
I'm feeling very excited and I'm like top of the world, and the feeling is right now is it can't be explained in words because it is one of the things that achieved in my life at a very young age.
Very true, very true. And it's very natural to feel on top of the world because we are sure you have been working on this. He has cleared his writtens first, then his SSB. So it's been a long journey.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell us, how did you decide on this career path? Like, why did you decide to join defense as your career?
Like from a very young age, when I was like in my childhood, I had a dream to be like for social service, basically to serve my nation. And I am like basically have some photographic memories of myself being dressed in police or army get-ups for my functions in the school. So I had something in my mind that I should be joining these forces. Later in my school life, when I came to 10th or 11th, then these thoughts got a permanent, or like you can say जमीन में बिल्कुल गड़ गए थे कि हमें यही करना है.
They got imprinted on
yes,
your mind and conscience. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. So I researched about these things, that how I can get enrolled in my defense services. Then you came and someone helped me through NDA, like National Defense Academy. There is an examination, and after getting commission, you will be lieutenant in the forces of your choice, whether it's Army, Air Force or Navy. So I started preparing from class 11th because in the exam we will be asked foundation questions.
Very
There will be not like any kind of numericals. Basically there are concepts which will be asked, whether it is the exam or it is an SSB interview. So I started my preparation from 11th, then passed my 11th and came to 12th. And in 12th I gave my first attempt. Because it was my first attempt, so I thought that it would be very easy, but it was actually opposite to it. And we should never underestimate UPSC.
Yes. So that means the first attempt you gave without official preparation or
yes,
coaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay.
So I didn't clear it, but after it, I was having my second attempt, and I took coaching from DCG.
That is the time we came into the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell us, how was your journey with Delhi Career Group while preparing?
When we came out journey, the first thing is getting enrolled, and the behavior of the staff, that is like getting you enrolled in the academy. So it was very good. The gestures that were provided to us very nice. And we can also say that people here, and whether it is staff or teachers, they're very cooperative, and they know where the person is lacking behind, and they help me with their personal time, gesturing me and like giving me some points that should be encountered, whether you are giving the exam.
Yeah, that is very important, because when you're preparing for a competitive exam, actually what is important is the right direction and somebody to tell you where you are lacking,
Yeah.
so that you can just bring up those points up and complete your preparation.
Exactly.
So very good at that. So you cleared your writtens first with the help of Delhi Career Group as a motivational force behind you.
Yes,
so we
ma'am.
are very happy to be a part of that. Now tell us about your SSB experience.
Actually, ma'am, our exam was scheduled beyond 21st April last year to 2019, but due to this corona and all these things, it got shifted in the September. So
Okay.
the time between April to September was very important for us, because we got some extra days for preparation. But the thing is also this, that we were not having some SSB classes, because at that time there was complete lockdown in the national capital,
Yes,
in the
yes.
NCR, Delhi. So I got it on my own, because I was having some notes from one of my friends, and I got it through those things, and I myself did some mock interviews of, and then got some help from the YouTube, because nowadays technology is a
Yes,
boom.
everything is available on
Yeah.
YouTube these days. Yes.
So I got myself ready with those things, and I gave my certain tests with my own, because when you are preparing for such a high level, there is no one who can help you, or whom you can think that they can help you, but the help is not at the level you should be having it.
Definitely.
So you should have to do some introspection yourself, because introspection is a key which can make you whether you are going for success or failure.
Definitely, because introspection tells you the reality.
Yeah.
Because otherwise what happens when you're preparing for a competitive exam, you feel, oh, I've done my papers, I have prepared on these topics and I'm ready.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when you actually sit down and think, you get to know where all you need to actually work.
And the special thing like about these exams is, ma'am, you cannot be in overconfidence. Like, I have done these things and I'm ready. I'm like over all these things. Why should I do it again and again? Because all those 4 to 5 months were so precious for me, because
Very true.
I was having time, but the people or the candidates who gave the exam before us were not so like lucky or were having that much time to prepare for the SSBs, but we got that much time, and I made for sure that I utilized all this time to prepare myself and got recommended this time, no matter what is going to happen in the future.
That is really commendable. That is what is very important. You utilize the time to the utmost.
Yes, ma'am.
And he assured himself that yes, I am going to clear this time.
Yes.
So, and the result is in front of
Yes,
us.
ma'am.
So, because hard work and a positive focus will definitely lead you to success.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what are the like kind of words of wisdom that you would like to give to our future aspirants who are listening, like who are preparing for their writtens or for SSB for that matter?
The first thing for returns is, ma'am, you should utilize your time. You should properly give the slots for your proper subjects, because the first paper is of mathematics and it is like 300 marks, and you have to first of all clear your 300 marks exam.
Okay.
But the good thing with UPSC is that the cutoff that they give us, it is
Yes.
merely from 25% to 35%.
Correct.
That means if you are able to pass in your boards, that means you can cut it.
Do it, yes.
So you have to prepare your maths in such a way that you should not lagging behind, because the questions are 120 questions, but you do not have to attempt all of them. If you are like roughly idea, if you are doing 36 questions at your best and all these are correct, then you will complete your exam and you will get shortlisted for your second exam, that is GAT. Because if your math exam is not completed and you have not scored cutoff marks in math exams, your second paper is not going to be checked by UPSC.
Yes, so there is no possibility that you can go ahead with
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Because some of students think that if they can score only like 30 to 35 questions in maths, but they are scoring around 400 to 500 marks in the second exam, but that is not of any use.
Yes.
If you want to score, then you should only score 35% in both the exams, because the final cutoff of UPSC is for like SSB and written combined 720 marks out of 1800. So
Okay.
that also brings it to the 30 to 35%
Right,
criteria.
right. Mm.
And then coming to our SSB. SSB is like किसी को कुछ नहीं पता क्या होना होता है.
Very true. Like we very favorably we say that SSB is a very hard nut to crack
Yeah, ma'am.
for anyone, right?
I gave my first SSB in 2019 in August when my first paper got cleared, and that time I got conference out from 12 SSB Bangalore. The thing is, at that time I realized that what should be I doing in the coming future.
While preparing.
While preparing. So as soon as I left the SSB center, I took out my pocket diary and wrote all those things that I was lacking at that time. And I am still having that diary with me at my home. And I know that before going to SSB, I thoroughly memorized that diary, and I like cross-marked everything that which I have to do in the SSB this time. And that helped me a lot, because the introspection you do will,
Very correct.
if you are doing it rightly, and if you are doing
Very
it with your
true.
focus, then you'll completely going to
You have to do
clear
it meticulously
Meticulously.
and be true to yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You should know.
Because when you are doing introspection, no one else is watching you.
Correct.
You yourself is watching you, and if you are having a particular part of integrity with yourself, then you will do it for 100% sure, whether it's your first attempt or your last attempt.
Last attempt, yes.
And like, to be honest, it was my last attempt, so there was like some pressure on me also
Correct.
कि अब की बार करना है, अगर अब की बार नहीं
Yes.
कर पाए फिर 2 साल वेट करना पड़ेगा after graduation.
Hmm.
So I don't want to wait, whether it's my SSB or in my life, so I didn't want to wait, and now I'm like clear.
So you put your heart and soul into it. He did introspection. He poured in his integrity. He worked hard, and he took out all the loopholes that he felt
Yes,
you
ma'am.
had when you went for the first
First
time,
time,
the first
yes,
SSB. So that is why today he's sitting here with his results, and just now you're waiting for what? What is the next step now?
I'm just waiting for joining letter, because the joining instruction has been out and we have all preparations to be done now. Just waiting for the joining letter, and hardly it will be a week after joining letter, because they only give a week for you to join.
Join, yes.
And then I'll be in the academy.
And then he'll be there in the Naval Academy, Ejimala there.
Yes, ma'am.
As a cadet there, enjoying and working hard for his bright future.
Yes.
So once again, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have a very, very promising, bright, prosperous future ahead. All the very best for all the future endeavors that you will be undertaking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations once again, and thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. and we are lucky to have you here today
Thank you, sir.
for our talk. And it is a matter of pride not only for you but for us also.
Thank you, sir.
But the question which comes to my mind and which we want to share with the viewers also, what made you, ultimately to opt for this career
Actually, sir,
in the forces?
when you think of a career,
Yeah.
you think for it like long-term goal. But the thing is, when you are going for a short-term goal, the happiness when you achieve that goal is like taking you to another level. Then you start preparing for another goals. So from basic, like I had something in my mind that I'll go for forces, but that time it was not sure
Not very sure.
how to enter in the forces,
Okay.
because there are a lot of ways to enter in the forces. But when I was guided for NDA, then I made my mind that I should go for NDA and I will go for
Because
NDA.
this is preliminary, the first stage actually.
Yes, sir.
Through which you can enter the.
And it is like at a very young age, and like you are not ripe, you are just like boy, or like you are just entering to adulthood. And at that time, if you are like joining such a big organization and like with so many benefits,
And you can mold yourself to the requirements
accordingly, yes,
of the
sir.
service or those things.
Because and moreover, the selection rate for NDA is like much more higher than any other exams,
Exactly.
because CDS is not like that many progressions are there, because at that time to mold a person is very difficult for those
Okay.
officers. But in NDA, that it could be molded.
Yes, NDA they say that you are all like a clay,
Clay,
and
yes.
the instructors or the sort of the staff there, they can mold you as per the requirement of the
Yes.
forces. But all said and done, it is going to be a very sort of physically and mentally quite strenuous time, but it will be enjoyable also at
Yes,
the same time. Are you aware where is the NDA Academy? You must be sure. Where it is?
Yes, sir, I am aware about NDA Academy,
But
but I am joining
you are-
Naval Academy
Naval Academy.
in Adimala.
Animala.
Yes, sir.
Alafuza, they call it actually.
Yes.
Kerala.
Kerala, yes, sir.
Kerala. Any particular sort of it is because of your merit that you are going to Navy, or it was your choice?
Sir, it is my choice. Like Naval Academy is my first preference,
Okay.
because I want to go in Navy particularly, because like my career option was Navy.
Navy.
Because I want to explore the world, I want to ride the world, and
Okay.
if things are given to you from government,
Yes.
then you should take it.
I mean, it will be kind of a byproduct.
Yes,
that,
sir.
While serving, you can travel to different countries,
Different
and
countries.
see the different cultures.
And you can, sir, explore your hobbies also in the Navy,
Okay.
because like Navy gives you a lot of opportunities while you are serving.
Services give a lot of opportunity to take part in sports or
Yes, sir.
adventure sports, particularly.
Because like one of my you can say motivator told me like,
But sort of how you opted for DCG? How did you come to know about it?
sir, I had some people like who took coaching from here, and they told me like the staff here is very progressive, and they help you to
Okay.
come out your fallbacks where you are lagging
Some
behind.
students actually who have been here,
Yes, sir.
they were your people who informed you.
Inform me, because they are already into national defense.
So you are satisfied with the classes or the coaching?
Yes, sir, very much like satisfied with the classes and the
Satisfied.
teachers and the material that are provided to us.
And of course there must have some mock-up tests also.
Yes, the mock-up test
from
are
time to
there.
time.
Yes, the mock-up test and regular test, like we had test on every Saturday and Sunday, different subjects, different chapters that we have been like done on the weekdays.
Okay. Any improvements you would like to suggest?
Sir,
There is always scope for improvement.
There is always scope of improvement, but the thing is that if we are doing our best, then we can be the better of the best.
Okay.
So if we are like following the same thing, then we are giving best results. Then there is like no need to improve, but like we
Any
should.
role model you want to go to Navy? You already decided that you like that service. Any role model?
So like
Any
till now the
officer or something like that?
the main reason for going to defenses was like our Major Mohit Sharma from 12 para SF. Then we have our Captain Vikram Batra. So these were
Dil Mange
more. So
Okay.
these were the more orders that like हाँ भाई इनके साथ कुछ करना है.
Okay.
But now like Navy we have our Admiral Karambir Singh. So I read about him. Then I also read about the Field Marshal Manek Shaw, Sam Bahadur also. So I read about them, and then the things that were at that time. So it made me like
Okay.
I have to go in the forces at any cost.
Good. So I think I am sure that Navy will also be very lucky to have you there as a bright young man.
Yes,
I
sir.
wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best.